Here's how to make a delicious pasta recipe and meatballs with Odlums. So we're going to show you how to make pasta from scratch using the new Odlums 00 flour. And it's a really simple recipe that you can use time and time again. And don't be worried if you don't have one of the pasta machines, you can use a rolling pin to make this as well. So we're going to show you how to make the pasta dough and how to roll it out and then do a delicious pappardelle pasta to serve with this dish. So we have 200 grams of the new Odlums 00 flour. And next we have 2 eggs straight in on top of that. So we just give that then a mix to combine it together until it forms a nice dough. And then we're going to tip it out onto the counter and then start kneading. And it is the most simple recipe to remember. So this 200 grams and 2 eggs will make enough for 4 people. But if you're doing a larger amount, it's just basically 500 grams, 5 eggs, 600 grams, 6 eggs, and so on. So we're just going to cling film that and then leave it in the fridge for 30 minutes to rest before you start rolling your pasta out. Now, so just with your rolling pin, we're going to roll this out as thin as you can get it. Once you're happy with the thickness and it's nicely stretched, and then we're going to roll it over itself so we can cut our pasta. Cut my pappardelle. And if you want, you can unravel it, hang that beside your cooker, let it dry out, and that can store in your cupboard for a long time. So we're just going to store that onto a floured plate until we're ready to cook. Now, so for the meatballs, we have a pound of mince. We're just going to season that firstly with a good bit of sea salt. Next, we go in with some breadcrumbs. 2 cloves of garlic, which we've just chopped, 1 onion, which we've just diced up, and finally a good grating of Parmesan cheese. Now, so the best way of doing this is just getting your hands in and mixing everything together. And then we just shape these into nice rounds, just a little bit smaller than a golf ball. And let them fry off to get some nice colour firstly. Give them a little shake around. If it's not moving for you, flip them with a spoon. Once you've got a nice colour, then you can go straight in with the tomato passata. Next, we have some chili flakes. Now you can make it as spicy as you would like. Dried oregano in, some smoked paprika, cracked black pepper, and a nice pinch of sea salt. Mix this all up together, and then we're gonna go straight into the oven for 15 minutes at 180 degrees. Cook the pasta in some boiling salted water for 1 to 2 minutes. So once the meatballs are cooked, we're just going to grate over some nice cheddar, but you could use also mozzarella if you like. Now just strain your pasta through a colander and then just serve it all up. And you've got your meatballs straight on top. And there you have it, homemade pasta and meatballs with Odlums.